Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Anderson Magic Tech. Today I'm going to guide you step by steps how you can create your own blogs. But before we get started, remember you will need a Google account. On my last video, I've already explained how you can create your own Google account. First of all, you need to have a web browser on your computer. You can use any browser. You can use Google Chrome. You can use Mozilla Firefox. You can use Safari, any browser. But in this video, I will use Google Chrome. So on your browser, under URL bar, type www.blogger.com, then click enter button. So once you click the enter button, this interface will come. Click under creating your blog. See, once you click create your blogs, you will need to log into a Google account. As I told you before, to create a blogs, you need a Google account. So in this video, I will use this my Google account to create a blog. So now you will be required to choose a name for your blogs. You can keep any names like ICT guides, ICT news, football news, any names. So in this video, I will keep football news in England and click next button. Next button. So once you click next button, you need to choose a URL for your blog. The URL for a blog is an address where people they can access your blogs. Like we access Google by writing www.google.com. So because they will be writing your address to access your blogs. So I can keep address like England, England soccer. See, after keeping England soccer, it seems like this name is already taken. That means someone already created a blog with address named englandsoccer.blogspot.com. That's why it's not allowing me to create the same name. So let me add S here. After adding S, englandsoccer.blogspot.com, it seems that this blog address is available. That means this address, no one owns this kind of address. So we click next to proceed. After you click next, you need to confirm your display names. How do you want your name to display to your leaders? It means your leaders will see these names on your post. Like I will keep Anderson Majid as a name. So once I post a news or a content, people will see this name. Then I will click finish. Once you click finish, your blog will be successfully created and ready for use. You can now begin posting your content. In the next video, I will guide you on how to manage and publish posts on your blogs. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. For more videos. Thank you.